connections to the Patriots. Bob Quinn, their general manager, picked up a couple of good guys in the draft, like we mentioned a few times. Carry on Johnson, they're happy.